In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Mailchimp for mobile. In the age of smartphones and tablets, ensuring your email marketing looks as good on a mobile device as it does on a desktop is critical. Mailchimp, a popular email marketing tool, offers features specifically designed for mobile optimization. Let's dive in and see how you can utilize these features to enhance your email campaigns for mobile users. First things first, we need to access your Mailchimp account. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Mailchimp website. Once there, you'll see the option to log in, click on it, and you will be prompted to enter your username or email address and password. After entering your credentials, click on the login button to access your dashboard. Now that you're in, let's move towards the core of today's topic. Navigate to the Campaigns tab from your dashboard. This section is where all your email marketing campaigns reside. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the Campaigns area, you'll need to select the specific campaign you wish to optimize for mobile. Find the campaign of interest and open it. With the campaign open, look for the Edit Design button. This is where the magic of customization begins. In the design editor, direct your attention to the Styles tab. This area contains various settings that govern the overall appearance of your email campaign. Click on Styles to proceed. Within Styles, you'll find the Mobile option. This is specifically geared towards optimizing your email for mobile devices. After selecting Mobile, various customization options will appear. Start with Email. Here you can adjust settings like content width, which can dramatically affect how your email looks on smaller screens. Your goal is to ensure that the content is easily readable and visually appealing on any device. Next, click on Text. This allows you to adjust text size and line height. Given the diversity of mobile screens, finding a balance that looks good across all devices is key. You want your text to be large enough to be easily readable without requiring users to zoom in or scroll horizontally. After text, move to the button settings. Buttons in your email, such as call to action links, need to be easily clickable on a touchscreen. Adjusting the size and padding of buttons makes them more accessible for users navigating through a mobile device. Then proceed to Divider. These are used to separate content within your email. On mobile devices, dividers should be subtle but effective in segmenting content for easy readability. Finally, after making all these adjustments, it's crucial to preview how your email looks on a mobile device. Mailchimp offers a preview option for this exact purpose. Select Preview and then choose the mobile view. This lets you see your email from the perspective of a mobile user, ensuring everything looks just right. If something isn't looking as expected, don't worry. You can always go back and tweak the settings until you're satisfied with the mobile appearance of your email. Remember, the goal is to make your email campaign as accessible and engaging as possible to users, regardless of the device they're using. Optimizing your Mailchimp campaign for mobile users doesn't just enhance the aesthetic appeal, it improves the overall effectiveness of your email marketing efforts. With the majority of users checking their email on mobile devices, your ability to grab and hold their attention through well-optimized mobile-friendly emails is invaluable. To recap, the key steps involve logging into Mailchimp, navigating to your campaign, editing the design, adjusting settings for mobile optimization, and previewing the changes on a mobile device. Each of these steps plays a crucial role in ensuring your campaigns are as effective and appealing as possible. By following these detailed instructions, you're well on your way to creating mobile optimized email campaigns that perform well, engage your audience, and drive results regardless of how your subscribers are accessing their emails. Consider experimenting with different settings to find what works best for your audience and content. With practice and attention to detail, you'll become a pro at creating mobile-friendly emails that captivate and convert. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on optimizing Mailchimp for mobile. With these tools at your disposal, your email marketing is set to reach new heights, engaging audiences no matter where they are or what devices they use. Until next time, keep optimizing and keep engaging.